baby, come make we go. Want me go to me, oh. Baby, oh. Tell me, oh. Tell me, baby, tell me, say you ready, okay, baby, let me break it down.
Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Debbie and this is my channel, Miss Deb. If you're one of my debonair millionaires, then welcome back. It's good to see you again. I'm happy that you're here. As you can see, I'm also here when I'm meant to be here. Okay, so today's Wednesday. This is the midweek upload. I feel like I'm glowing. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, I can tell. So today I'm going to be bringing you guys a review and a vlog. So there's going to be a vlog at the end of this video. So make sure you stay tuned after the quick review for the vlog. I went to Fenty's event they had last night to launch their new mascara, which I will be reviewing today. So this is my goodie bag. It's full of some cute it's full of some cutie Fenty products that were given to us as gifts, like, you know, little goodie bags to take home with ourselves. I took some pictures, I had some drinks, I had a great time with Shola. Shola is amazing, such a sweetheart, which is launching in 2 days time. By the time you guys watch this video, if you don't watch it the day it comes out, it'll probably be out by then. $24 if you're in America. If you're in the UK, I'm gonna assume it's gonna be around 19 or 20 pounds. The equivalent of $24 in pounds. So this is the mascara. So this mascara is the Frontal Mascara. It goes from fat. This is the fat side. Yeah, and then it goes to flat when you turn it. So this is the flat side that defines the curls, and this is the fat side, and it's pretty cool mascara. And my favorite thing is the name. It's literally called Cause I'm Black. Okay, that's the name of the mascara. It's called Cause I'm Black. If you're not comfortable saying Cause I'm Black, you can say True Black. So that's the name. So as you can see today, I've slayed and snatched my face for the gods, and literally all that's left is for me to demo the mascara for you guys. I'm not going to be wearing any eyeshadow. Some pro tips from the Fenty artists. If you want maximum volume, you use the fat side, and if you want maximum curl, you use the flat side. This is the fat side, okay. And for maximum length, you use the pointed tip of the brush and apply vertically, following on your lash ends. And then it says how Rihanna does it. Rihanna loves to accentuate her eye shape with a fanned out lash look. To achieve this, add extra layers around the edge of your lashes while brushing them outwards. So that's what it says. Okay, so I'm gonna come closer, guys. Pull me in. So I'm coming closer to you guys. Oh guys, oh my gosh, guys. So like we're all close and personal. Like, I feel like so close to you guys right now. So I'm gonna take the fat side. I'm gonna take the flat side because I like my lashes really defined. So I'm just going to start to work it in there. Because see, I have no lashes whatsoever. So when a mascara can make me look like I have lashes, I always love it. I always will stand that mascara. And then I'm gonna try the other way as well. Oh, it really grabs. Okay guys, it really grabs the lashes and makes them kind of, really grabs. It has this really unique shape that really grabs the lashes out and kind of just makes them separate. Okay.
Oh yeah, baby, come make we go. Want me go to me, oh. Baby, oh. Tell me, oh. Tell me, baby, tell me, say you ready, okay, baby, let me break it down. Let me take you out. No island now. Say you ready now.
So this is my first impression demo review. So you guys can, I don't feel like I need to say much because you guys can clearly see that I went from having no lashes whatsoever to looking like I at least have some sort of lashes. So the product speaks for itself. Would I go out like this? Absolutely. Why? Because I'm black. So I did there. That's the end of the reviews. Now stay tuned for the vlog of last night's event. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm that girl when you get drunk. Hi lovelies, how are you guys? So it's Tuesday night. It's the middle of the week. Your girl is tired after a long day of work, but I'm going to a Fenty Beauty event tonight with Shola. You guys probably know Shola Patron. I decided why not vlog and bring you guys along. Oh, look at how shiny my tea. So yeah, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, and yeah, let's go. Fenty are gonna be showing all their new product launches of the year, or some of them probably for like spring. So I was like, okay, why not bring you guys along to an event instead of just being a dry shite all the time on this channel. So let's go, guys. I'm already running late, but it would have been me if I wasn't a bit late. So yeah, let's go, guys. I'm that girl when you get drunk, that's got you wishing that I just pick up. I'm that girl, that girl, that girl. Has got a thing for ya, a little bit of what you see. Say hi, Shola.
Hey guys!
So guys, we're here now at the Fenty event. Shola came.
Well, I'm so late.
We're late. But it's fine.
It's fine.
I probably would have got here at the same time anyway, so
yeah.
No need to, you know, but she looked cute, she looked good, she's like whatever, okay. You know, carry front, she carry back, all of that. You get drunk, that's got you wishing that I just pick up. I'm that girl, that girl, that girl. It's feeling like karma has got a thing for ya, a little bit of what you deserve, and you're really gonna. Have a good time, babe.
Yeah, I know you said it.
It was so fun. Oh, I should be vlogging soon. I'm so rubbish.
We're going home now.
Okay. Oh. Be that.
Never know, like...
Shola, every time I whip up my camera, I need to vlog.